Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Dogecoin, one of the most popular and fun cryptocurrencies in the market. You probably know that Dogecoin started as a joke, but it has grown into a serious contender thanks to the support of Elon Musk and its loyal community. But what is the future of Dogecoin? How will it react to the upcoming Bitcoin ETF approval? And what are the best strategies to invest in Dogecoin? Stay tuned and find out. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin. It features the image of a Shiba Inu dog as its logo and mascot, and it has a friendly and humorous culture. Dogecoin has a fast and low-cost transaction system, and it has an unlimited supply of coins, unlike Bitcoin, which has a fixed limit of 21 million. Dogecoin gained popularity in 2014 when it was used to sponsor various charitable and social causes, such as sending the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics, building water wells in Kenya, and funding a NASCAR driver. However, Dogecoin really took off in 2021 when Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, started tweeting about it and calling it his favorite cryptocurrency. His tweets caused massive spikes in Dogecoin's price and volume, attracting millions of new investors and fans. Dogecoin is currently ranked 10th among all cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, with a value of over $8 billion. It is trading at around 6 cents per coin, up by more than 2% in the last 24 hours. However, Dogecoin is still far from its all-time high of almost 74 cents, which it reached in May 2021. So what is holding Dogecoin back? And what can make it soar again? One of the main factors that influences Dogecoin's price is Bitcoin's performance. Bitcoin is the largest and most dominant cryptocurrency in the market, and it often sets the tone for the rest of the crypto space. When Bitcoin goes up, most altcoins tend to follow suit, and vice versa. This is because Bitcoin has more liquidity, adoption, and institutional interest than any other cryptocurrency. Right now, Bitcoin is on a bullish trend, thanks to the anticipation of a Bitcoin ETF approval by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. A Bitcoin ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin and allows investors to buy and sell Bitcoin without having to deal with the technical aspects of owning and storing it. A Bitcoin ETF would make Bitcoin more accessible, convenient, and regulated for mainstream investors, which could boost its demand and price. A Bitcoin ETF approval could also have a positive impact on Dogecoin's price. This is because Dogecoin has shown a high correlation with Bitcoin's movements in the past, especially during major events related to Bitcoin ETF applications. For example, in January 2021, when BlackRock filed for a Bitcoin ETF application, both Bitcoin and Dogecoin surged by more than 20%. Similarly, in June 2021, when the SEC postponed its decision on several Bitcoin ETF applications, both Bitcoin and Dogecoin dropped by more than 10%. Therefore, if the SEC approves a Bitcoin ETF in the near future, which many experts believe is likely, we could see both Bitcoin and Dogecoin rally significantly. Some analysts predict that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 or more by the end of the year if a Bitcoin ETF is approved. If that happens, Dogecoin could also benefit from the increased attention and enthusiasm for cryptocurrencies. Some Dogecoin fans hope that Dogecoin could reach $1 or more if it follows Bitcoin's lead. However, there are no guarantees that this will happen. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and there are many other factors that affect Dogecoin's price besides Bitcoin's movements. For example, Dogecoin's price also depends on its own development, innovation, adoption, and community support. Dogecoin needs to improve its technology, security, scalability, and utility to compete with other cryptocurrencies. It also needs to maintain its unique identity, culture, and humor to attract new users and keep its loyal fans. So, what is the best way to invest in Dogecoin? Well, as always, this is not financial advice, and you should do your own research and due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. Dogecoin is a volatile and risky asset, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. However, if you believe in Dogecoin's potential and vision, and you want to support its community and mission, then you can buy and hold Dogecoin for the long term, or you can trade Dogecoin for short-term profits. Either way, you should always be careful, patient, and smart with your money. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.